How to pair new or replacement Roku remote with Roku TV. Welcome to Glitch Sorcerer. Let's jump right into the video. If it is your first time pairing your Roku TV remote with Roku TV, or if you have lost the original remote and you're using a replacement, in this video I will guide you on how you can pair it. If your remote is a replacement, you have to first make sure that your remote is compatible with the Roku TV. Once you do that, you first want to turn on your Roku TV. Now, if you're not able to turn it on without the remote, all you have to do is use the physical turn on button of the Roku TV. After you have turned on the TV, you want to take your new or replacement remote and you want to remove the back cover of that remote. Then you want to put in fresh batteries. Make sure that they're going in the right direction. Now, first time you pop the batteries into the back of the Roku remote, you should get a green light that starts to flash down. If you don't get that, you can also hold down the pairing button for a handful of seconds and hopefully you get that pairing button to flash. Now you want to start clicking the up and down buttons a couple of times. Then, after some time, on the screen you're going to see a pairing remote option popping up. Once the pairing remote process is activated, the green light should eventually be turned off. Then you're going to find the battery level of the remote on the top of your screen. Once you have paired your remote, you want to check if all the buttons work. And just by this simple step, you have successfully paired the new or replacement Roku remote with Roku TV. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.